Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be part 2 of my Christmas stash, and this is going to be my smaller Christmas paper pads. I will have another video for my 12 by 12s. This one is kind of like the 8 by 8s and the 6 by 6s, and I have it in another iris bin. These are from Michaels, and let's dig in. So I have the Paper Studio 12 Days of Christmas, which has to be my favorite paper pad of all times. I love it so much. I love the red candy cane. I love the plaid that comes in here, the stripes. It's just an overall great paper pad, and I think I have 2 of them. Yes, I do. I have a brand new one, and I have this one that I've been digging into. If you guys followed me on my live, I did use this paper pad on my card. I think, was it my card? I think so. And then we have the Tim Holtz Ideology. Let me put these paper pads in here, these loose papers in here so they don't go flying everywhere. So then let me tape this one. You don't want papers flying everywhere. So this is the Tim Holtz Christmas paper pad from, I think, last year, right? Oh, 2017 actually. And I got 2 of them, and you guys, I got these on clearance last year for like $1, and they're double-sided. And I love the Tim Holtz Halloween, Christmas. I love, oh, whoa, look at that plaid, you guys. I think it's just like, it's been so long that when I went to go take one sheet out, it completely broke apart. But that's fine, the paper didn't break. So I have 2 of them, brand new one that I've been digging into. I have some Fa La La left over, but no worries. I have this in digital, and I think I have another one of these on my pegboard. We have Echo Park, A Perfect Christmas by Lori Whitlock. I'm also going to have another video, you guys, showing you new collections. So definitely stay tuned for that, because I am getting my hands on a bunch of Christmas collections that are out for 2019. Definitely having those showcased on my Christmas series, as well as some of the oldies, because they may be old, but they're still super good collections. We got Hot Cocoa here by American Crafts, which is another one that I am like so afraid to use because, you guys, they're hard to find now. But this is such a cute paper pad. Look at that. So cute. I love that plaid. And this like on that craft paper. Love it. So that is American Crafts Hot Cocoa. We have, this is also super brand new, Paper Studios, yeah, polka dots and poinsettias. It has the little tape, but I'll try to show you guys a little bit. Super red and green. Basically, these are all your patterns. It's brand new. We have Bo Bunny, and this is Christmas Collage. Very vintagey feel. I like this page right here. So if you're into like the vintage Christmas, this is a perfect pad, which I'm pretty sure you guys can find probably a Tuesday morning. We have Doodlebug Design 6x6. Here comes Santa Claus. Double-sided. Super cute. You guys already know what Doodlebug is about. It's always a super cutesy Christmas. And that's Here Comes Santa. These are the Michaels Hot Eyes. This is Merry Everything. And that was from last year. How cute! Look at the gold. So pretty. Happy holidays. These are so fun. You know what you can do, you guys? You guys can frame these and like gift them. I think that's a good idea. Super cute. You could decorate like a frame and put one of these little pictures inside the frame. We have Wish List, and this is by American Crafts. This is probably a super old collection. Let me see if I can see the year. 2014, you guys. And Hot Cocoa is 2014 as well. Wish List. How cute is this? I honestly don't need any more Christmas stuff, but it's just I can't. I feel like, I don't know, I need to get like all the new ones. This is Ice Crystals, and this is another Craftsmith one. And this is more like on the blue tone side. So if you like the baby blues and the silvers, this is a good pad for you. Look at that. It's brand new. We have Christmas Basics by the Paper Studio, which is also brand new. I think I'm going to open this one so you guys can get a better look at it. Hopefully I don't break the paper pad. All right, I think we can actually see it now. Let me take this off. All right, you guys. This one is super cute too. I can just see so many tags being made with this. You guys, my series for Christmas, the Jingle Lils, is going to be 12 days of Christmas. And it's going to be the 12 days of giveaway as well, everything that I create. So if you guys want a certain project to be seen on that series, leave me a comment down below so that I could definitely put it on my list to make, or something that you guys would want to win, handmade by me. This is the Paper Studio Woodland Wonderland. Another super cute paper pad. Look at this one, you guys. Ooh. So it like doubles up. Look at the cutter parts. Let's go back to the cutter parts. The little woodland creatures. So cute. This one is also 2015, you guys. I have two of the polka dot poinsettia. Oh, now you guys can see a better one because this one actually doesn't have the seal. I think it's because the other one was gifted to me. And one I actually purchased. This is Sugar Plums by Doodlebug. Another super cutesy paper pad. Love it. We have Milk and Cookies by Doodlebug as well. They're all very similar, yet very different. Oh, that paper, does that paper even belong here? Yeah, it does. This one is a little bit used up because it's one of my favorites. And then this is actually from this year. This is the Merry Little Christmas by Pebbles. I have the 12 by 12 of this one as well. I've been making tons of cards with this one. This is another paper pad from Craftsmith. From Michaels, it's Safe Freeze. Double-sided. I think I have this one 12 by 12, but it's not double-sided. So there's that one. We have Home for Christmas by Pebbles, and this is from 2014. This is another super cute paper pad. Look at this one, you guys. So cute. Look at that. Is that not adorable? I love this. And I think I have an ephemera pack to this. Now that I think about it. This one is from Target. And it's the holiday paper pad. And I love this, like the Burberry pattern. Look at that. I love it. I love it so much. It has like plaids and polka dots. So cute. So we have that one. We have, what's this? Very Merry Christmas by the Paper Studio. Super cute. Love the black incorporated in Christmas. I think it looks so classy. So there's that one. This one is like a bunch of like sweater patterns. It's called Nitpicky and it's by Lawn Fawn from 2017. I don't think I ever used this one. I just opened it up to see it. It is so cute. Just a bunch of like sweater patterns. That's fun. Oh, look at this one, you guys. This is by American Crafts, 2015, Let It Snow. Let me put these down here so that I can have something to lean on to show you guys. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at that snowman, you guys. How cute. Santa. The little cut aparts. Oh, this paper pad is adorable. And that is Let It Snow. I love the mint. You guys already know that. And then I have these left. Oh my gosh, you guys. I really did not think I had this many 6x6s. Lord child. So we have this one here by Authentique, and it is Colorful Christmas, double-sided. You guys know I love me my paper pads with my mint greens. Look at the cut aparts, you guys. So many, you guys, so many. I can literally, I can't speak. Make a different project with a different paper pad every single day of the series. Authentique Classic Christmas. Oh, you guys, look at this one. This is pretty. Look at that music paper. And the brick wall. Look at the cut aparts. Ooh, that's like really pretty to use like ephemera. Oh, this is gorgeous, you guys. I didn't even know I had this. Super cute. Then we have this one from Michaels, which is North Pole Gazettes from last year. Double-sided. I didn't pick up any 6x6s this year. I might if they go on clearance later on. We have a Winter Frost by Recollections, which has like the silvers and the blues again. Then we have, let me put this, doesn't fit. Okay. This way. This is the matte stack from DCWV and it's called Very Merry. Double-sided. Ooh, very classy. This has more of the dark burgundy tones and the golds, the browns. I like this. This is pretty, you guys. Look at that plaid and the polka dots. I love it. Oh my gosh, I'm at 14 minutes already. Well, this is the last one anyway, and it is Peppermint Twist. And this was at Michael's last year as well. And it just has tons of red. Very candy cane-ish if that's even a word. You could totally cut those out and use those as ephemera. Love this one. You guys know I love me my patterns. But yeah, you guys, that is my Christmas paper pad, smaller sizes, 8x8s and 6x6 collection as of now. I will show you guys any new ones that I pick up and if I find any more within my stash. But let me know down below, what do you guys think? That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for part 3 of my Christmas stash. Bye guys.